What's up YouTube? Cliff here from the Sunday Drive. Today we're going to show you how to replace the cabin air filter on your Subaru vehicle, working on my brother's 2016 WRX. And we'll include the part number for this air filter in the description of this video. It's compatible with a lot of the current generation Subarus. Now you don't really have to have any tools for this job, but a pair of pliers do make it a little bit easier. We've opened up the glove box, and right here is a tensioner that you're going to need to disconnect, and this is where I'm going to use the pliers just to squeeze the tab on the end here, and then that'll push right off and stay loose. And then all you're going to want to do is push on the sides of your glove box. There's a tab that's holding it right here and one on the other side. So just push in like that, pull the other side in, there you go, and that comes right out. All right, so here's the air filter right here. It has 2 tabs on the right and 2 tabs on the left. Just squeeze those in and this will pull out, and look at that, that is filthy. About 60,000 miles on my brother's WRX, and here's the new one for comparison. So definitely, if you haven't changed yours in a while, get out there and check it. And the new one has words in here. It says, you know, push and then up. So you obviously want the arrow pointing up when you install it. Go ahead, slide that in. All right, so we got these clips right here. Those are just gonna go right back on to where they came off. Just sit in there and then simply push that up into place and reinstall your tensioner on the side. Close it and you're done. That's it guys, very quick and simple. Thank you for watching. As always, if you're not subscribed already, please consider subscribing and hitting a thumbs up if this video was helpful. We have a lot more content coming on my brother's WRX, and we also have a lot of content up already for it, so check out those videos while you're here. See you guys next time.